Hi, so we just got a quick video here today. I was working on this lot of Xbox One controllers that I got. This one here, it when I took it or when I plugged it in, everything when it was working, the sync button, it turned on, it powered on, took the battery. But the D-pad button right here wasn't working, pushing down, and it didn't want to go left and right very well. So okay, I take it apart and you figure might be something on the board that's wrong with it. So I got it all out here. And that right here, this is the contact point. Here, let me put it on this Xbox. Right here's the contact point for the D-pad. Up, down, left, right. And from the looks of it, it's fine. It wasn't dirty. And so I was kind of looking around and I didn't see anything on the back. It looks pretty good. Not seeing anything. I try to pour it. But so I look at the D-pad again on the back here. And if you look, right here, let's get my tweezers. Sorry it's so shaky. I wasn't planning on recording, so I don't have everything set up. But right here, there's a little pin. These little pins stick off. And they stick up. And two of them, as you can see, right here and right here, they're pretty much gone. That one's completely gone right here. And that's the reason it wasn't making contact with the pad and why it wasn't pushing up and down. And so I just thought doing a quick video to show what I've found here. If you're having issues with your D-pad, it might be something as simple as this part of it came off and sheared off from being played, hit too hard, maybe dropped. I'm not exactly sure how. Like I said, I got this in a lot of 15 controllers. But that could be a reason why your D-pad's not working. And that part, I didn't have to completely take the controller apart. This little piece here, right here, this metal piece, goes around the outside right here. I'm pretty sure that's where the D-pad is. Maybe it's there. Regardless, it goes around the outside, and it just comes right off. You just have to... Here, I guess I can... Let me pause. I'm going to pause and then come back in a better spot. Alright, I got it flipped over to show you. This, right here, there's those two little holes. We should focus quicker. They wrap around there, and that just sits on that. It connects over here into those two little those holes right there. And so, that's probably going to be upside down. Very sorry. Maybe that'll help. You can see it there, those little holes. That bracket just comes off. You don't have to take it completely apart. So if your D-pad is having issues, there goes all the buttons. Yay, my favorite. If your D-pad's having issues, that might be all that it is. Right there, something easy. So just a quick one. I have to put all that back together now, so fun. That's all there is for this one, though. Just a quick one. If, yeah, like I said, your D-pad's not working, maybe that's it. It could be easy. You just got to get the outside of it off, which is just 5 screws. One under the sticker. You can peel the sticker off to not break through, but I just broke through because I'm repairing them. I have a bunch, so that's all there is today. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.